ZNH News. Let's dive into the news stories.
Warhol created Academy of 150 billion surplus.
Mother-and-daughter shot dead by live-in partner in Carcar City. Judy Santa Maria celebrated her 30th anniversary with fans.
The Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PHIHOT, is facing scrutiny over 150 billion surplus from its 2024 budget. Despite the serious subsidy for 2025, Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosia assured the public that PHIHOT's budget remains substantial at 280 billion pesos for the coming year. Herbosa clarified that the surplus resulted from PHIHOT utilizing only 63% of its allocated funds in 2024. He emphasized that 150 billion surplus is more than enough to cover subsidies for the 16 million indirect members whose benefit costs about 5,000 pesos each. Herbosa questioned why the surplus would be kept idle when it could be used to build convenience. Meanwhile, Senator Grace Poe noted that PHIHOT also has 600 billion in the reserve fund, suggesting that these resources should be maximized before seeking additional government subsidies. This is Adrian, reporting for ZNH News Live.
A tragic incident unfolded in Barangay Baladolid, Carcar City, Cebu, when a mother and her 14-year-old daughter were shot dead by Genevieve Avila's live-in partner, Jeter Lapina, on Wednesday evening. The shooting, allegedly fueled by jealousy, occurred around 7 p.m. Neighbors heard a heated argument followed by gunshots and found the victims lifeless. Police recovered evidence, including bullets, cartridges from a .45 caliber gun. The suspect, believed to be intoxicated at the time, was apprehended shortly after a short pursuit operation. This is Fanfare Malaga by ZNH News. Kapamilya actress Judy Santa Maria recently celebrated the 30th anniversary of her home-place, the Judynatics, with an outreach program and Thanksgiving party. The event began with an outreach in Malibay, Pasay City, where 130 families received essential supplies. In the afternoon, Judy held a Thanksgiving party to mark 13 years of shared memories with her loyal fans. Judy expressed her gratitude on Instagram, saying, "13 years of love and friendship. Cheers to more years together." Fans flooded for the comments with appreciation with her kindness and generosity. This is April J. Escaba from ZNH News.
Thank you.
This is ZNH News.
Adrian? So it's true. You and Charlene. Adrian, all this time?
Juliet, I didn't intend for this to happen. I didn't want to hurt you.
Then why, Adrian? I trust you. I love you. Why you do this to me? Juliet, I am so sorry. Don't. I trust you. You're my best friend. How could you do this to me?
Juliet, I didn't want for this to happen. I couldn't how I felt. I'm so sorry, girl.
Laura, Please don't pick me. It's Emilio Aguinaldo, right?
Good one. Now you can tell us what Emilio Aguinaldo did during the Philippines Revolution.
So, Aguinaldo, he was like the hero of the revolution, right? He fought against the invader. I think you know the people who wanted to invade our country.
Are you talking about Emilio?
Yeah, dude, Aguinaldo fought and saved us. And then Aguinaldo, he was the one who made sure that our country stayed or not invaded. And yeah, he won the revolution.
One. I'm pretty sure Aguinaldo didn't fight aliens. Especially Aguinaldo fought against invaders. You mean the Spanish and Americans that aliens, right?
Right, I mean the Spanish and the Americans. But you know, it's basically the same thing. They both invaded.
What did Aguinaldo most Red Saber Star Wars? I think you have been watching so many sci-fi movies.
Yeah, maybe I guess the Aguinaldo was like superior with the lightsaber that part of the invader. Makes more sense, right?
Okay, one we sit down. I think we learn from superhero part of our story class. I would totally watch that movie though. Emilio Aguinaldo, the superhero. Yeah, with a Filipino twist, he used bola instead of lightsaber.
Baby, paminawa, hining akong kantahan para jud ni sa imuha. Sultian tika sa akong pagbati, ikan jud ni sa akong kasing-kasing. Baby, love tika. Baby, love tika. Baby, love tika. Ikaw ra jud ug wala ilain pa. Pagigugma ko kanimo, murag tambot suga aso-aso. Pagigugma ko kanimo, busog kaayo ka buto-buto. Pagigugma ko kanimo, murag tambot suga aso-aso. Pagigugma ko kanimo, busog kaayo ka buto-buto.
We gonna party like it's 30 12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world beyond tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for
We gon' get it poppin', we gon' get it poppin'. Hey, just down with us. Turn it up. Gon' give you know that you can reach the top.
Kama may kabagotong ako.
I'm a nigga with an attitude, thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangster, y'all. I'm a vibe on my side in the CPT. God bless the memory.
Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what we do, where we go, how we dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do what me wanna follow you. Me nah itch up and no.
I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, with the best friends, love would never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish, you'd be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish.
Say yo,
For a bride